I deleted the signature talk of over 500 different public speakers, and all their speaking businesses were stronger without those talks. Today I'm going to share with you why that's the case and how the same approach can help your speaking business. Hi, I'm John Cook. I'm the founder of Keynote Content, helping clarify your message, elevate your impact, and change your world for good. Over the past 5 years, I've worked with over 900 public speakers, helping craft their messages from stage. Every kind of speaker you can think of, every different type of presentation style, personality, industry, and I noticed a pattern. Most speakers have far too many talks, and that might be your case as well. Like you have a speaker page on your website or speaker promo materials you're using, and it lists 5, 6, 7, 8 or more talks. And let me know in the comment section here, and be honest, how many talks do you actually have on your speaker page? The most that I've seen is 13 talks. I've seen one speaker say that they can do 13 different talks with takeaways and descriptions, everything. It was crazy, so hopefully you don't have that much. But if I was to make a more than educated guess, I bet you haven't delivered all those talks, probably not even most of those talks. Or if you have delivered all those talks, you probably haven't delivered all of them in the past year. That's the dilemma that I saw while working with over 900 speakers. And these speakers asked me to clarify how they talk about what they do from stage. And after narrowing down kind of the exact audience that they want to reach, it was time to take a look at their talks. For most of these speakers, over 500 of them, they had 4, 5, 6 different talks listed in their speaker kits. So what do we do? Well, together we looked at all their talks and we had an honest conversation. I asked them, when was the last time you actually gave this talk? Or this talk, or this talk. And by the way, it's okay if you're promoting a talk that you're still developing right now, but what's not okay is promoting a talk that you've never given and you're not actually working on. So I also asked them 3 other questions. I said, is the big idea of your talk really aligned with the exact audience we identified for you? Second question, are you still excited, like a 10 out of 10 on the excitement level about this talk topic? Third question, does this talk actually align with the offer you want to make from stage? And if any of those 3 answers were no, we deleted that talk. Just delete it right out of their speaker kit. You might be thinking, John, I don't know if I could do that. I love having all of my talk ideas in one place. That's great. All of your talk ideas, that they belong in Evernote or wherever you keep your notes, but your actual talks belong in your promo materials. So guess what happened? For those 500 plus speakers who I deleted most of their talks, it gave us the freedom to truly focus on only 1 or 2 talks, and talks that they could absolutely nail from stage. And I've heard story after story after story from those speakers, both right in the moment and in the weeks and months afterwards that we worked together, and they were telling me, John, I feel so much better now that I don't have to worry about a whole bunch of talks. Just 1 or 2 that I can then tweak to fit each event. It means that their talk content is stronger on stage. It means that they're more confident, more comfortable getting in front of any crowd, knowing that they have a few core messages that really resonate with them and the right audience. One of the best decisions you may ever make this year may be deleting at least 1, if not most of your talk topics from your speaker promo material. Just like take and just delete it out, just like yeet it into the unknown. So you give it a try and let me know in the comments section below what questions you might have about what that looks like. And if you like what I shared today, please give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave in the comments section, share your 2 cents. I read all the comments. You can catch more of my videos about how to clarify your message and elevate your impact as a speaker, coach, or consultant. And where a lot of speakers get stuck, where even you might be stuck right now, is not knowing how many talks do I actually need to have ready to go as a speaker. There are only 3 different talks that you need to create as a speaker. So hit play on this next video to see what those 3 talks are, and I'll see you there.